Righty-ho. And hello everybody, I am back cooking again, and this time I'm creating my own iron brew recipe. Trying desperately hard not to get Rich in camera, because he doesn't want to be on camera today. Remove my scissors. Is this the pot that we're going to put all the stuff into, Richie?
That's just so quick, I thought.
So can I just start putting in my seasonings?
You put probably chicken in first.
Put the chicken in first?
Yeah, wait till the kettle boils because I'm making up your stock.
Okay. So, whilst Richie does that, I'll explain my seasonings. I'll be having black pepper grinder, obviously for black pepper. Himalayan pink salt again, because we're going posh. We've got the cayenne pepper, habanero chili flakes, hot chili powder. I'm going extra special. We've got some saffron. Not much, but hey ho. Just a little will go a long way. Some garlic granules, paprika, ground ginger, the Kashmiri chili flakes, arbol chili flakes, and ancho chili flakes. Saw a TikTok earlier today, something about English food being the same flavour as warm lettuce. Told Richie about it, didn't I, Richie?
Uh-huh.
But we're Scottish, right?
Yeah.
So that doesn't include us.
No.
So, England apparently has food of warm lettuce. We have food more like haggis, which is spiced meat in sheep's stomach, basically.
Yeah, it's just maybe.
Awesome. Just let me know when I can turn around.
Right, turn you go. Just so.
Can I pop stuff in the tub now?
Uh-huh.
Sweet. Alright, so starting off, we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic granules. Pop that away over there so I know I've done it. For the ground ginger, another 1/4 teaspoon, plunky. Now then, we've got to be very delicate with the saffron because this is expensive. Get closer. About that much. Just a pinch. Just a pinch of saffron. Now, as always, I like my stuff spicy, so 1/2 teaspoon now of your cayenne pepper. I should really just have these all open before I start. We need more hot chili powder. Struggling to get 1/2 teaspoon. That's like a 3/4 of 1/2 teaspoon. Did I do paprika?
No. Doesn't matter, you're putting the chili flakes in anyway.
Yeah. I'm putting in like 4 different kinds of chili flakes. All at 1/2 teaspoon each. Just so you're all wondering where that lovely voice from the gallows is coming from, he's right behind me. Or at least behind to the side. Now, if you ever want to find good hot chilies flakes, you need to look for stuff that has more seeds than actual fruit. It's the seeds that hold the flavour. Ain't that right, Richie? Of course, dark fruit is also good. There we go, so that's 1/2 teaspoon of all the spicy stuff. Some cracking of black pepper. Some cracking of the pink Himalayan salt. We don't want to be too salty. Now, what was it that goes back in there? It's the hot chili and the cayenne and the habanero. Yeah, I've got ground ginger in there, but I'm using my own ground ginger. There we go. That's back in there. Crack open the iron brew.
Right, hang on.
Or do we put the stock in first?
I'm going to put the stock in first.
Alright, I'm going to look over this way.
Going to stir it all up. Right, 400 millilitres of vegetable stock. You only want half a can of iron brew, roughly.
Half a can.
How many millimetres is that?
This is... hang on.
It looks like a litre.
Each 500 mils is
Half
no
a-
sugar.
What?
There's no sugar in 500 mils of this can.
Right, half a litre. 250 mils.
It's 500 mils, so
250 mils.
250 mils. Can I use this to measure it? Will it be okay? Because we're putting cold liquids into a now hot thing.
Fine.
So... $250 mils
Right.
of iron brew.
She said there was sugar in that.
Yeah, no sugar. No sugar iron brew. Oh!
One. Or
That went for my throat.
1 teaspoon of corn flour. Okay. You better mix all this up.
With this fork,
No, that's ceramic.
this wooden spoon.
You never touch a ceramic when you stew. Right, there you go, mix all that in. Okay. Here.
Oh, this better taste good. It's choking me.
Chili powder then. Right.
I'm covering my mouth.
I've got the chicken's got to get in there and sit for like 4 hours before I put it on.
Ooh.
And marinate for 4 hours.
I gotta put in the title that this nearly killed me.
Spices. Right.
Yeah, but I'm not going to say that in the title. Clickbait! I'm gonna clickbait the shit out of this. Woo! It's so well stirred. Just let me know when I can put my chicken in.
Whatever you want. Is that all mixed up?
Yeah, that's like all mixed together.
Hang on. That's not going to go sticky in, is it? There's no sugar in the chicken.
No sugar in the iron brew, no sugar anywhere.
You need sugar. Just make it go sticky.
Use the alternative sugar.
Caster sugar. Caster sugar.
Is that the alternative caster sugar?
2 tablespoons. There you go.
Also to sweeten the deal.
No, you need it just to go sticky and stick to the chicken. Right, and shoot it.
Well, it's not choking me as much now.
Right, put it
Oof, I spooked the sun.
there where you're chicken. Once you get it covered so you'll stop coughing.
My recipe's just trying to kill me today.
Right. You put your chicken in there.
Right, so do I use something in here to get it out, or just use fingies?
The fork.
The fork.
I'm going to take it off the fork.
Now I am using skinned and boned thighs. Whoop, de dooped. Get my chicken in there. Get in there, chicken.
Whoa, fitting.
That's what we're going to discover now.
No.
I said now, not no. It's fitting in so far. You will get in there. Or I beat your bum. It fits.
Oh,
Yep.
there's plenty of liquid.
Oh, plenty. It's covered.
Cover the whole chicken.
Yeah.
Right. That's going to marinate now.
Marinating.
Salt and pepper in.
Yes. I did some twists.
Okay, right.
Oh, is that the lid?
No, can't have that one just now. Right, it's going to marinate for 12 hours because that there is actual slow cooker.
Yes, we are slow cooking chicken. I thought you said marinate for 4 hours then go on.
Yeah, I'm going to do.
Because then you just said marinate for 12 hours, which wouldn't even leave it cooking overnight.
No, I'm going to put it on overnight.
Alright, just so as you can see, we've added onion and taken some of the liquid out. Gotta try and give it a bit of a stir, or at least a wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You gotta wiggle your thighs, you know? You know right, Richie? You gotta wiggle your thighs. I would show you Richie wiggling his thighs, but he says he's a mess. I don't agree with that, but hey ho.
Okay.
I'm still wiggling my thighs. Oh, this broth looks delish. I would have a wee go at it, but it's still got raw chicken in it. The onions are basically going to melt, so it doesn't matter. Even though I put onion powder in it.
Just there to get a taste of sweetness in it, so.
There we go. Is this the lid?
Hold on.
Do we put it on high?
Put it on first, Right, high for an hour.
High for an hour, then it goes down back to low for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow,
We'll see what happens.
we'll be doing the potatoes
Just leave it there.
in the rest of the iron brew. You know right, Richie?
Mm-hmm.
You're just going to have to... Could you do that again so the shadow can be seen? Yes, I've got a Pikachu mug. Alrighty, so we'll see you in the morning. Alright, we're back. The floor's wet. And there it is. May I poke?
Uh-huh.
Looks like some of the skin has come off. The onions are nearly gone. It'll fall off the bone. Kind of feels like a witch's brew.
Oh, still got to thicken up, yeah.
Yeah. We could use this sauce
For what?
for anything else. It's now been used in cooked chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we could put some of this with the roast tatties and then just top it up with more iron brew.
We'll see. Then put your chicken under your container.
So, anyways, guys, we'll still come back later when we do the potatoes. Alright, I think we're on.
Okay, right, so let's separate that for today and tomorrow.
Yes.
Right, so many. you want the skin as well?
Oh yes.
This is for today. You can see it's just falling off the bone. I don't know if you want to leave the bone on.
I'll leave the bones just now. We can always get them later. Ooh, spicy. I don't really taste the iron brew just now.
Okay,
And for my tea tomorrow.
remember this is a slow cook, so it'll just fall off the bones.
Yeah, so we want to turn that liquid into a nice sauce.
Is that enough for you for today?
I'm trying to get in at the thingy so I can see if there's... Whatever bits come out now, just pop them in there.
Okay, and then I need a wee pot.
Yes, because we're going to thicken that sauce up.
Okay, so that's for today. Another wee pot.
This,
Yeah, that'll do it. Depends how much gravy you want.
well, the gravy's got to last the 2 days as well.
Okay. Is that enough?
Now it is.
Because I need to drain all that tomorrow again. That's for tomorrow.
I do like my meals to be saucy. If there's meant to be a sauce, it's got to be saucy. Richie can confirm I do like saucy. Like one more.
And have the top back again then. Put that in there for when it cooks in the oven so that it doesn't dry out. I'll go back into the oven for half an hour when I put the potatoes on. Where's that top?
This tub.
You don't want to lose it, you don't want to waste this.
I know, this has got all the good flavour.
Right. And top. There we go.
Now you know it, and it's a good Scottish house when the liquid has oil on top.
Now what we do here is, hang on to put on now. What are you doing now?
Lola's a good Scotty dog. She likes the flavour. We've added some more iron brew.
There we go.
You know, just to oomph up the iron brewness of it. Well, we could add the rest of this to that, surely.
No, what's for the potatoes?
Aye, the potatoes. Just a tad more.
Okay, what I want to do is, okay,
Yeah?
these are the potatoes, but I'll do that a different way. What's in the video, I'm going to do it a different way. So,
Oh, you're doing the potatoes.
well, you can help me. Right?
I'm the channel. You are helping me.
So,
That's why you've been giving it we are doing.
okay.
Even though you're technically doing all the handy parts. I'm telling you what
Where's
to
the
do.
bottom out for me, will you?
Wipe the bottom.
This for tonight, right?
This lot is for tomorrow. That's my tea tonight. And this is my sauce.
Right, where's your container with tomorrow's?
I was cleaning the pot there.
Okay. Put this in the fridge as well. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I even closed it up. Gotta clean as you go.
That's for tomorrow.
Clean as you go. Mara's Piper potatoes. Richie swears by them, don't you, Richie?
Yeah. What?
You swear by these Tesco Mara's Piper potatoes.
Tesco's on as bad as paper.
I know, but we get them from Tesco. We shop at Tesco a lot.
Many potatoes, yeah.
Well, they're getting chopped up, aren't they? You know, I don't like odd numbers.
I know I'm on right.
I'm having roast tatties, so is there a small one? Thank you, it's just to make it an even number.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Swap. I don't like odd numbers, unless it's the number 5.
Yeah, we just want for tomorrow, right?
Number 5's the exception to the rule, so I need to have an even number of potatoes.
So it's just now, because I'm going to do the washing up and that, and then I'll get the potatoes organised, because I'll begin on at 3. And then I'll let you know they're ready to go into the oven. How's that?
Yes. So, Rich will be peeling and boiling these potatoes, getting them ready to be roasted. We all know how to boil potatoes, so I'm not going to bother filming that. But it's the iron brew part that's what we need to film.
I'm going to do this right.
Just don't let me forget, I need to take a photo of the entire just when it's done. With the can of iron brew. No, I need the can. I will be getting another lot of iron brew tomorrow for tomorrow's dinner, because I'm repeating the process of the potatoes tomorrow. So we will see you later when it comes to the potatoes. The buntata. Alright. The potatoes. Potatoes. Is a buntata.
Right.
Hashin batata.
They've been boiling for about 10 minutes. Hey, put some iron brew in there.
Iron brew?
Behind you. Oh, you got it? That's it.
Yes.
Not a lot, just to colour it. Right.
Is the liquid going in with the roasting tin?
Yeah, in a minute.
Cool.
I don't
Cool.
want to put that in cold. Otherwise it'll take you forever to make. Right. Let's see what you want back.
There's still a wee drop of iron brew left.
Okay, enough of that. Much is left.
Hee-haw.
Right. Nearly that. Okay.
I'm just trying to reshape the tin for the thumbnail.
Now,
The thumbnail.
right, you get this watch. This is liquid down in hot fat. Okay. Iron brew.
Iron brew roasted potatoes.
Right, hot fat. Okay. Right, do my wee splatter of it. Still don't know how this is going to roast, but no mind. So that's what I was to do. That's what we have to do.
That's what we have to do, apparently.
Right, bung them in. I think we'll need a knife on it. There we go. Right, let's see what happens then.
Yeah.
Soak up the iron boot into gear. Okay, start it in now, go in half an hour.
And this will be warmed up and thickened.
Yeah, and that'll be your dinner made now just to make mine. Right.
Yeah. So we'll be back when it's time to put the chicken in and to check on the potatoes. Yes?
Yeah.
So we'll see you again soon. And recording.
Right. I've just put the chicken in the oven. Just there now. And I added something that we forgot to put to the potatoes.
Oh, what did we forget?
Paprika.
Paprika. It's getting there.
Right, so that is yours.
Rather gloopy.
And blue potatoes.
Potatoes. It's the potato.
Still got half an hour to go yet.
So it's just a quick wee update on the potatoes. The chicken's in. Looking alright. I mean, I'm going to enjoy it.
I hope.
There's my
I
sauce.
know I like that one. I need to take all out. Put it down low. And then I'll get my dinner on when I come up. Right.
Yes, and we'll put some corn flour in that to thicken it.
Yeah, once it boils up.
Yeah. Right. So, time to plate this monstrosity of a dinner. I'm allowed to call it that.
A monstrosity.
Yes, the monstrosity that is my din-dins.
Right.
We have a leak. Sticky.
Sticky potatoes. Sticky potatoes.
Potatoes.
That is. Right, potatoes and iron bowl.
Yeah, iron brew roasted potatoes. Oh, hot.
Gonna be hot.
Yes.
Just do it all. Right, get your chicken one.
Onto the plate.
Yep.
Should I use this same spatula?
No, I'll get it on. You don't want to cover up that stuff, do you? Excuse please. As you can see, the bones are just falling out.
Yeah.
Right. So that we don't want it.
Yeah.
Okay, and now all we've got to do is
Put on the sauce.
I'll let you put your own sauce on it, don't know how much you want.
Alrighty. Wow, this sauce is gonna last.
What's sauce?
That sauce.
That's going in the bin.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because you're going to make a fresh batch tomorrow.
Oh, am I?
Wow. Yeah, right.
Very good.
Look at the door.
And what's for the doggy?
I'll bring it in a minute for you.
And I'll get a photo of that on my phone in like 2 minutes. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in another video of our Survive. Bye bye.